everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is 31st of July and today is the day of my presentation. Actually currently I am doing B8 and our exams are about to approach, first semester's exam. So actually B8 मा चाहिँ first semester ma course 5 हुँदो रहेछ, understanding discipline and subject. So in that we have to do PPT before exam. So actually this would be in college, but as the colleges are closed, it will be online on Google Meet. So it will start from 2 PM today, and and ma'am will share the link on our WhatsApp before 10 minutes. So I'm a bit nervous today. Actually I'm quite nervous about that presentation because the marks will be added on exams. So yeah, my today's vlog will be based on that. So I'll meet you all at 2 PM. Actually मेरो चाहिँ 2 PM मा हुँदैन because my roll number is 41. It is यो चाहिँ लास्टमा छ मेरो roll number चाहिँ हो. So I think my presentation will be on 3 PM, but I have to join on 2 PM. So I'll meet you all at 2 PM. So bye. So I have already prepared presentation in my phone by this app PowerPoint. Yeah. So I'm ready for the presentation. Yes ma'am. Good afternoon ma'am and my dear friends. Am I audible ma'am?
Are you ready?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, you
Am I
are
audible ma'am?
Oh,
So ma'am.
yes, you are very much audible. Okay, just
Sir,
try.
Shall I start ma'am?
Yes, please.
So ma'am, before starting I would like to thank our respected principal sir and especially our beloved teachers ma'am Mausami and Sibarna Mondal sir for helping us to do this presentation.
Okay, start, sir.
So ma'am, my subject is English and I have chosen the topic language as a medium of communication. So ma'am, in this first slide I have given a brief definition of language and communication. So ma'am, language is a communication tool which everyone uses in their daily life, and language helps us in expressing our thoughts, feelings, emotions, etc. And it is known as the prime medium of communication because without language communication is impossible. So talking about communication is a process of exchanging messages and information with others. So both this language and communication are connected with each other and they both depend on each other. So in my next slide I have mentioned about the objectives. So in this I have mentioned that why language is important and what is the objective of doing this, what is the objective of choosing this topic. So the objective is to make everyone aware about the importance of language and to make everyone realize the worth of language, and lastly to show the relationship between language and communication. So in my next slide I have mentioned about what actually all language is. So ma'am, I have Language is a medium which helps us in sharing our thoughts and feelings with others, and it is known as the prime medium of communication. It also helps us in expressing our feelings, emotions, thoughts through symbols, sounds, or by written or spoken words, etc., and so on. And language is also known as the blood circulation of communication. So in my next slide I have mentioned about the history of language. So in this I have mentioned that before the invention of language, people used to communicate with each others by using the auditory means of transmission, by creating some sorts of sounds, and by using some sorts of drawings, signs, etc. So moving to the next slide. In this slide I have mentioned about the functions of language. So the first function is the informative function. Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Informative function. So in this informative function,
Armina, please mute yourself for the presentation. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Armina, please mute yourself because presentation is going on.
So in this slide I have mentioned about the functions of language. So the first function is the informative function. So this function of language, informative function, is used to communicate and carry information. And the next function is the expressive function. And language is used for expressing our feelings, emotions, etc. And the social function, to establish and maintain social relationships between people. Like if we want to build our friendship with the other person, we need this social function, because it is very important to have language to establish and maintain social relationships with others. So the next function is the evaluative function, that is to convey attitude. It conveys attitude and values. So moving on to my next slide, it is, so as my subject is English, I have this slide is about importance of English language. English language is an international language. So as we all know that English language is universally accepted. It is accepted all over the world. So, and in today's world it is very important to have fluency in English, and it is the key factor for better career, because if we are not good in English, we can't get a job. So it is very important to have English language. And English language is a native language of many countries, and it has been used as second language by people like us. So it is second language. It's also used as second language, and it helps us to communicate easily while traveling, because as English is an international language, everyone understands English, so it helps us to communicate easily while traveling. So the last is the conclusion. So ma'am, I would like to conclude by saying that language is the medium of communication, because it helps us in expressing and sharing our thoughts, feelings and ideas with others, and both this language and communication are dependent on each other, because without language communication is impossible. So I would like to say that language is a medium. So I believe that language is a medium of communication.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Zarana. I want to see you once.
Yes, ma'am.
are you?
I'm good.
It's like a presentation is very good. And any question for Sarana from Salima, Roshni, and Sandra? Any question for Sarana? Okay. Okay, Sarana. So there is no question from your peers. I have a very little question, a small question for you. Okay.
Yes,
So you are from the English background. You are from language background, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you are the would be teachers, where you will be a teacher who will be teach English as your subject, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you think, sir? What the teaching learning strategy will implement in your classroom? The better with your students.
Ma'am, I'm not. Ma'am, I want to create a friendly bond between me and my students, so that they can share their problems and they can share whatever they can share their queries with me. And I will also try to make my class interesting by finding new ways of teaching.
New technique.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. And so, environment you class teaching. So, what do you think? So, you student enter any class, right?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not able to hear you.
You want a student-friendly environment for your classroom, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Sarana, have you think of any kind of special technique? Can you tell me about any kind of special technique which will make you the classroom friendly teacher?
Ma'am, if my students in future, if my student, if suppose they get bored,
Yes.
and if suppose they get bored in class sometime, then I will take them to I will take their class in lawn, sometimes in lawn,
Okay,
in
okay.
ground.
Okay,
And
very good.
I
very
will
good.
I will
Very
try
good.
to I will try to find new ways by conducting presentations. And
Okay, okay. So you will use different materials and methods for your teaching, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, sir. Very encouraging, very good presentation. Also, your voice modulation is also very good, and you are confident about your presentation. That's a very good sign. Okay. Best of luck, Sana. Very good presentation, and thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sana. And thank you, trainees, actually. And please do share your PPT in my mail. I have already shared my mail with Rishika, and they will send you the mail. And please share your PPT, because I have to send your PPT in college website. Okay. So just send it in my mail, and I will send it to college. Thank you, students. Okay. Any queries regarding this? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you all of you again, and it's a very pleasant experience for me. Thank you, students. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
See you
ma'am.
next